Good afternoon, sir. I'm Midshipman Balagot in Section G2E. This subject is SIM 223, and I will discuss for this topic. The title is Criteria in Damage Stability. What is the criteria in damage stability? This is the rules to ensure a ship remains afloat and stable after damage with international standards, mainly from the International Maritime Organizations like IMO and local regulations like those in the Philippines following them. This is the two assessments of methods. Number one is deterministic method. It is assumes specific damage scenarios. And number two is probabilistic method. This considers the probability of different damage scenarios and the ship's survival probability after damage. And this is the common criteria. The common criteria is equilibrium angle. This is the final angle of here after damage should not exceed a certain value, usually 7 degrees or 15 degrees, depending on the damage extent and ship's time. And this is the Philippine regulations. Ships in the Philippines must comply with the international convenience and codes such as SOLAS, MARPOL, like IGC and IBC, the Maritime Industry Authority, Marina, Circular number 2015 to 08 specifies the damage stability requirements for different types of ships. And that's all, sir. Thank you.